Hey guys, I've got this broken bolt that I'm trying to take off. I've used everything, vice grips, I heated it up, WD-40, all that good stuff, as you can see with all the scratches, and nothing's working. So what I've done is I've grabbed a nut, I've squished it in the vise, and I'm gonna hammer it in there and see if this works. So there's the compressed nut on the broken bolt. It's a size 10 millimeter nut, but I'm going a little larger with an 11 millimeter socket because compressing it changed the size, and it looks like it's working. Just gonna go ahead and do this nice and slow. A couple more turns and I'll check the progress of the bolt. And there it is, it's coming out. So here's the moment of truth, guys. Did this hack work? Oh. There it is. It's out.